Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting a discount coupon code video. In this video, I'm going to reveal two of the special discount coupon codes through which you can save as much as up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger using the special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive discount link mentioned in the description of this video, you will be landing to a page like this. Now, watch this tutorial in detail so you can get to know how you can save up to 95% discount. And again, this offer is only valid for the people who click on the link in the description. Now, the first thing is over here, Hostinger provides 30 days money back guarantee with all of their plans, which is just an amazing feature which any hosting company do provides. And if you scroll below, look around on the reviews, 69,000 reviews on Trustpilot says regarding Hostinger. So let's see what people are saying before you get this discount. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So you can see a malware issue was found in a website. I immediately get in my hosting account to solve it. The person who supported me was very kind and helpful. She gave me step-by-step tutorial. So you can see around over here, instructions to solve the problem and recommendations to follow up. So you can see the support has been praised all out by many people. And even in my own 5 years experience of using Hostinger as my primary hosting company, I never had to see an issue. And these are some of the testimonials for the people. These are the biggest websites of the world where Hostinger has been featured. Now scroll below. Hostinger supports WordPress. You can build a WordPress website with it. And if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service. So whether you host a single website or 100 website and you want to transfer, Hostinger is going to manage all, and that too free of cost. You can see the market comparison and you're saving almost everything with this free website migration service. You can see over here as well. So you can see the latest migration service for free, and you can see free website migration. So now moving back over here, and right now 5 million plus people are using hosting as a primary hosting company. Even I'm using it, and I want you guys to take the advantage of this discount offer. So scroll below and move on to these plans. You can claim the discount on any of the plan, but see, you can see around over here you're getting the 81% discount over here. I'm going to make it 95% for you. So you can choose the premium or cloud starter plan as well, but the 95% discount is only available on the business plan. So let's say going to the choose plan with this over here. Again, this offer is only valid for the people who click on the link in the description and use either of the discount code to avail this special discount. So once you select the choose plan, now you're over here. Business plan. Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods, 1, 12, and 24 and 48 months. If you want to save the maximum amount of money for the 48 months to get the maximum discount, 24 and 12 months also get a good discount, but these prices want to pay it again. Take the advantage. Sorry. And you can use the coupon codes being mentioned in the description of this video. You can claim a free domain right now over here. For free is valid only for the first year with this discount deal. And let's say I'm going with this one, and I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional. So you can see the free domain is only valid for the first year only. So you can see 81% at 48 months. You are also getting daily backups. You're also getting free domain, and now 10% discount over here. So 81 plus 10 over here is going to 91% plus free domain and backup. Do your math. It's more than 95%, but let's assume. Okay, you can see around over here 81% plus, you can see around over here, and if I show you, you know over here, if you move back over here and see yourself over here, that you were getting 81% over here in this plan because you have clicked on a special discounting. 81% plus 10% is 91%, plus free domain daily backups is more than 95%. After this, continue, and you may be asked to log in at your hosting account or need to create a new account or synchronize with the Google account, but I've since already done it, so I'm at the last part. So write my billing details over here and simply select the continue over here to move on to the last part. So once I write my billing details over here, you can see around over here, move on to the last part, and that is doing payment method at hosting. Hosting can offer you a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate for crypto payments. Guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose to pay your payments at Hostinger. You can use any as per your convenience. And let's say I'm going to credit card, I'm going to add a new one, write my details and simply select the submit payment. And within few minutes, I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my discount order details. So just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years, and Hostinger has been very good, extremely good, and which is why I'm here with special exclusive discount deals for my audience. So grab the discount deals while it lasts. So make sure to click on the link in the description, use the right of the coupon code, and follow my step-by-step tutorial to get amazing Hostinger discounts. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.